Are you ready to upload your first YouTube video? Well, today I got for you a step-by-step guide on making that first video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and hit the ring on the bell. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. First of all, you're going to want to do is create your YouTube channel. It's really easy and it's totally free, which is amazing because YouTube allows you to reach billions of people around the globe for free. So head over to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, go ahead and head over to Google and set that up first. It's free as well. After that, you're going to want to go back to YouTube and click sign in. You will sign in with your Google account. The next step you're going to want to do is click My Channel on the top right hand side. A box is going to pop up and you're going to hit the Create Channel. Step 2. Get all your ingredients ready. Or a repair video, get all your tools ready. Make sure you have all your hand tools, your jacks. Just get prepared before you start recording. You get the idea of what I'm saying. Just make sure everything's ready before making the video. Step 3, get rolling. Step 3 is the fun part. You're going to get your camera and start recording. At first, you're going to be very uncomfortable. You might have to take different takes. But just, the best thing I can say is just go ahead and try it. Later down the road, you can invest in better equipment. But as of right now, go ahead and use your phone. Just try it out. Step 4, you're going to upload that video. So now head on over to YouTube and hit the upload button. There would be a pop-up. You can have your video published immediately, or you can schedule it for a later date. Step number 5, optimize your video. This makes it easy for you to know what your video is about so people can find you. This is a very important step. So give your video a specific title. There's no reason to be clever here, just, something that you want to explain what someone's going to see when they click on it. The description box is very important as well. You can type a description of what your video is about. The next thing you want to do is type in all relevant keywords in the tags. So that's it. 5 steps to create your first YouTube video. Now get out there and get started. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, hit the bell as well. The like button. This lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job on these videos. And till the next video, I'll see you guys later. Thanks.